Alright, what's up guys? Just wanted to do my Flatland bike check, or really my Flatland hybrid bike check. When I decided to ban my mid-school bikes because they're too heavy. It's hard to learn new shit on a really heavy ass bike. And rode a couple of, I ride with Flatland riders, even though I ride park most of the time. Got a feel for what I wanted in a new school bike, so I decided to just go ahead and build a new whip. The Flatland frame I really liked was the Heresy Ascend. This is the most similar I got. This is the S&M Dagger frame. It's translucent purple, and yeah, it's just great. Low standover height and everything. It rocks. So starting off, I got ODI grips, long neck grips, ODI bar ends, Tech 77 brakes on both sides, Odyssey slick cable in the front, Odyssey universal gyro cable for the back, S&M foo bars, running my mid-school Haro big block stem. I had bought a new stem. It didn't work out. Running that for the meantime, I'm waiting for the new Hevron stems to come out, or for a new Flatland stem to come out. And then in the front, I have the S&M fast pitchforks, stolen Rampage wheels. Bought a complete wheel set. Fit TA tires with Dan's Comp heavy duty inner tubes on the inside. Then I have Fiction Troop PC pegs all the way around. And the front brake is a Colony Brethren oil slick brake. And then going back, I got the Snafu gyro plate with the Snafu Mobius gyro. Then I have stolen revolver headset. It's really cool. I like the cap and everything. SST org bottom cable. Then in the back, I have the Salt Plus brake with really hard brake pads. It's kick-ass. This thing fucking screams when I brake. I love it. Then I got Welgo pedals. The Odyssey caliber cranks with the Odyssey caliber bottom bracket that came with it. Looks awesome. I got the new Profile 25 tooth blackjack sprocket with a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. Then I have the stolen Rampage free coaster wheel in the back. Also Fit TA tire with Dan's Comp inner tube in the back. Then S&M Long Johnson seat post with the new Dave Murrah Pivotal Tribute seat. Love that seat. It's a lot smaller than the original, and it probably doesn't look the best on this bike, but I don't care because I'm a mid-school guy. Loved Murrah. Loved the old Haro Murrah Pros and all those back trails and all that. So I had to get that seat. Same with the sprocket, but yeah, it's a really nice bike. Tried to get as much USA made stuff as I could. I just got the frame, seat post, handlebars, fork and stuff, grips, but you know, I'm sure it'll evolve over time. I'm gonna get, I don't know, one of the weirdest things is the clearance for this front brake and tire. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like 2 millimeters of clearance. So I might see about running some slimmer tires in the future, but whatever. These Fit TA tires are probably my favorite tires that I've ever run. Just super sticky and everything. But yeah, so I'm sure I'll have to upgrade some parts over time, but for right now, I'm loving it. Loving the way it rides, loving the way it handles. It's an awesome bike. S&M did a great job with this frame. I think it's an underrated frame, and yeah, can't go wrong. So there's my Flatland Park all-around bike. I'm running a 27.5 top tube, which is kind of long for flatland, but since I'm using it for everything, it works just fine. It's hard to build an all-around bike these days. I see a lot of flatland guys are buying street frames and putting all flatland parts on there, and you just can't build a flatland frame and put street parts on it that, you know, tires wouldn't fit on, and it probably wouldn't even handle street or park riding. But yeah, this was my attempt to build an all-around bike. Let me know what you think. I like it, so just wanted to share it with you guys. Peace.